crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And in today's video I am going to continue showing the other cubies in the IKEA Kallax unit. And also, if you are new, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. If you like to watch this type of content, just give the thumbs up, subscribe, so that will help the channel to reach out to other individuals who might be interested in this type of content. And let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the continuation of the Craftroom series, how I store supplies in my Kallax unit. So let's continue with the Craftroom series, and I am going to show you the other cubies that I didn't show you in my previous video. So let's start on top. These are some cubies that I decorated with, like for example here I have my pokey tools. And this is from Dollar Tree. Here are my business cards, a happy mail from a friend, and some little, cutesy felt animals. The second one, my name, and I placed this one here. This is a magnetic from Spellbinders. So if you are working with your like small metal dies, you can just attach them to here while you're working. But I put it here because it looks cute and it goes along with the color scheme. Nothing fancy. And over here I have, my owl and a little scissors here and there, and then this is just to gather the sequin mix. Yeah, so I have it here handy, so if I have to reach to the sequin bin, I can just grab the scoop. Then the third one on top, I have the Memory Decks card holder. I have a book, some of the scrapbook magazines, card magazines. This magazine is no longer in print anymore. I used to have tons of it, but again, I purged and I just, kept the one so I can get inspiration from 15 years ago. And on the back, I have like where I put all my fancy cutesy pens, and then this one, my friend Brittany Pochik, she gave me that, so it's cute there. So yeah, so these are the 3 cubes that I only have it to decorate, to display, crafts, decorations, etc. Now, let's go down and see these 2 bottom ones, which are the left ones. But before I do that, I have to move my cart. You see? And let's see what we have here. Here, oh, this is only 1 tripod. I have the other one. Oh no, these are 2, 1 and 2. 2 tripods. Where I keep that. This is a door that connects to my bathroom. And my goodness, what do I have here beneath? Oh, here is my diploma, and then another kind of like decor piece that I bought years ago, and I haven't gotten rid of it because I like it, and I will find a place for it. In the meantime, it's here since I have a space to put things. As I said, I am utilizing all the little nooks and crannies, any space, because my craft room is super small, right? So let's go ahead and see this bin. I have labeled this bin with tags, brads, planner stuff. So again, I did a big purge of planner stuff, but I kept essentials because I still use planners, even though I don't decorate them that much. But mini planners, which is like so cute, love it. This other one, so cute, bought it on sale. And this is from Sandy. She is, let me give you Sandy's planner shop, and she's also in Instagram. So isn't this cute? So I got these from a swap, and it's just so cute. I couldn't, like, you know, get rid of it. It's too cute, and it's also coming from a crafty friend, so I'm keeping that. All right, so I label these containers with tags, not tags, but this one says plain tags, which is not true. I have a couple of tags here and then some unicorn tags. So this one, I don't know what it's in this one here doing here. This is like a floral thing. Then this other bin, it's planner stuff. What do I mean with planner stuff? So planner stickers, planner stamps, and on the top I had like little post-it notes, you know, mini clips, and I got rid of a lot. So these are the ones that I kept because I just love it, and sometimes I use them, you know, when I'm reading or doing something. So that's the top. And then on the other ones, there are planner stickers, planner stamps, and then the bottom one, I put planner stuff. It's just, you know, planner things. Planner stuff, in other words. The other one, I have embellished tags, photo corners, and bottom sticker. The bottom, we have stickers. So, yeah. So this is like a good way, if you don't have, you know, too much, you can just, you know, get these containers and label things so it's easy, you know, to find. In other words, we're talking about compartmentalizing, right? Organization, because again, my craft room is super small, and I think I'm missing something here. Oh, this is like a stamp too, super cute. Again, my craft room is super small, so I am right now maximizing space, right? And the way to maximize the space is to stop buying stuff and get rid of things, right? And I had collected supplies like the past 6 years, so, you know, gotta get rid of stuff. So, alright, so now... Wait! This is a brief interruption about my previous statement of, in order to maximize your space, stop buying supplies. Which is, I don't even believe that myself. What I meant was to be more mindful on what you buy, and if you have the space for it. So in other words, if I buy a material that is gonna take tons of space, well, guess what? I need to get rid of another one, right? Similar to it. So let's get back to the video. I'm gonna put this one back. And someone asked me, where did I get these plastic, kind of like holders? I got these at Target a couple of years ago, and they're really cool because you see they have a clip. You can, label things and put in them back. So now this other cubie, my goodness, you see the back? This used to be a connector because I used to connect like a long, table. Used to be attached in my first craft room where these IKEA calyx was with a table, and in that table I used to have my computer, to edit. I used to have two stations, my crafty table, but again, that was a different craft room, served different purpose. It was a bigger one. I had lots of space. That's why I collected so much stuff. So back to this cube. I do have all my kind of photocopy paper, not photocopy, but photos, paper, and then I have these cutesy folders that I got from Target, and then some of the labels that a crafty friend, April Olander Designs, that I got from her. Oh, and here they are. Here are, let me show you these. These are Halloween labels that I order from, I believe it's the Pink Project. Yeah, Sheena. So they're here. I didn't put it with the other ones because I didn't want to confuse things. And then in this bin, I have plenty of stamps. I do have more stamps in the basement. I purge a lot, but definitely these are stamps that I'm keeping, for the moment. It's occupying space. Now, this other cube, let's go ahead and see what we have here. So on the top, this is the We Are Keeping Memories. I got some charms here and there, supposedly based on the season. I used to empty and organize things based on the season, so I kept things. We're, getting closer to the holidays. I left some of the Christmas stuff, beads, etc. Now, on the top, this is where I have paper clips. And I know I'm showing glare here. These are paper clips. And this container, originally this container is to hold tea bags, believe it or not. I got these at the Container Store years ago. I don't know if they're still selling it, but this is where I, again, compartmentalize and store my paper clips. Oh, I did this at Spooky Boo 2023, and I should place this out. And then inside these compartments, I even have mini containers. Mini containers that contains little tiny paper clips. That they were not that many, so yeah. So that's how I store things. Originally I was storing things by color, but I have been using a couple of clips here and there, so this is it. Now the third box, let's bring this one down. So let's take a look at, this is one of the storylines, books from Heidi Swapp. And oh my goodness, I did this back in 2021. yeah, was the stage of my life that I was journaling and, you know, doodling things here and there. And I started my TikTok account. Yeah, and the journaling. And then I stopped in October. Didn't do anything else. So yeah, let's put this back. Yeah, so I'm back. I put everything back. So I know that these are my blank junk journals. Some are completed junk journals. And yeah, so this is the IKEA Calyx. So as you can see, we store things, right? And I have tried so many versions of storing things here and there, and everything should be based right now for me. What I'm gonna see, I'm gonna wait for a year to see if this type of organization is gonna work for me. Again, we keep changing our crafting styles, you know, what supplies we use, we don't use, etc. And I love this paper clip, by the way. And I was thinking at the beginning of on the top, just to avoid the decoration and get other things here and there. But I'm like, no, I want my craft room to look cute, to look cutesy. And, you know, that's my joy. You know, this is the room that I have tons of color, and every time I come here, it makes me happy because it's where I do what I love. Again, thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.